Number one, get this pen. And the important thing is that it has those ridges, and what it does with the spaces in between, it doesn't allow for the moisture to collect. So it repels with the heat, it repels the vegetable. And that's what gives it that wonderful grilling feeling. So, get yourself a little squeeze bottle. You can find that at a supermarket, and put some good extra virgin olive oil in there. And the reason why I like this is because it controls how much oil you put in. You don't need very much oil. And I'm going to show you, I don't even need it at the beginning. I just drizzle it at the end. But you'll see. And I think I did it for 3-4 minutes. Nice hot stove.